Hey everyone, and welcome to this week's plan with me. So I was just laying this out for the thumbnail, but in this week's video I'm going to be using the Lovebirds, I believe it's called, kit from the HappyPlannerGal. If I'm wrong, the correct name of the kit will be in the title, and I did buy the separate glitter headers for this kit. So I'll give you a look at those first. So there's 4 different colours, and I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to use. I feel like I'm going to use the light pink, green and red, and leave the darker pink. The washi, the full boxes, a lot of people use this clip art, but her style of basically everything else was my favourite, so that's why I decided to buy it from this shop. There's also some date covers, which you know I love, little things and headers, and the checklists. So I'm just gonna get right in. Am I just gonna do it like normally? I kind of want to put checklists in the middle this week for some reason. No, because I have date covers. So let me just have a look. The last time I used HappyPlannerGal kit. Yeah, no, I don't want to do that because I do have date covers. So let me just, and they go pretty much in this order. I only need it till Thursday, the checklist till Thursday anyway, so I'll just zoom you in a little bit. And, oh, or should I put down headers first? No, I'll put this down first. And I'll just go with my headers. So today's been an interesting day. I went to the dentist. I don't have any cavities. Fabulous. I have never had one before, fun fact. Okay, so just thinking about this, I don't know if, well, I don't want to colour, do I want to colour block? No. Yes? No. Can I colour block? There's 7. So, yeah, I could colour block. I don't think I want to. What am I like? Yeah, I don't really want to. Did I colour block last week? Yeah, no, I don't want to. Okay. Yeah, so I've never had a cavity. And then I was freaking out because I thought I had one, but I don't, obviously. So happy about that. And then I waited for a half hour in the doctor's to be told, because if you watched last week's video, which I'll have either linked at the end or I'll have it in the little information button, you will know that I got a vaccination as well. So what am I saying? I got a vaccination last Friday. I was supposed to get one this Friday. But I waited there for a half hour and then was told, actually, come back in a month. So that was fun. But you know, it's gotta be done. I'm not that mad about it because, you know, it's not about me. I'm actually just getting vaccinations so I don't get sick, and also so I don't get other people whose immune systems may be more vulnerable than mine sick. So it's Gucci. Other than that, not much is going on. I'm probably gonna just like speed through some sections of this video. I'm so excited for this kit. I just love it so much. I saw a lot of people with this clip art, but this is definitely one of my favorite shops, so I still have 4 of those heart checklists left. Green, I'm gonna put red in the middle maybe, for shits and giggles. So I need to mark that I have a tutorial. I think I have my phone nearby. Just thinking of like college things this week. Ooh, also an essay. Okay, so don't forget those. But yeah, I think I'm going to speed through some areas of this video. But this kit is just so nice. I love all of these like Valentine's themed kits because like pink is my absolute favorite color. So everything pink and heart and like everything like that is just speaks to me. So I've been trying to buy out a few things, and I bought 2 new kits as well. If you see my last video that I posted was a haul. They were both from Lucinda Charlotte Designs, and I also had something else that I bought from her shop. Where my full box is gone. Here we go. So that was pretty exciting. I think I want to see, this is a bit green for here, because I'm trying to like not color block. So I think I'm gonna put this one down at the end, down here. No. I'm gonna put this pink bird. And other than that, I haven't really been buying stickers, but my new inserts did just arrive, so I don't love this. So I'm super excited to start that, and I'm not sure, I maybe don't know what week it starts. I think it starts last week, so I might play around, do like a little rewind kind of a spread on that first. I think I'm going to put this here and then the other birds here. And then start with my personal sized spreads, which I'm very excited about, because I actually started planning in a personal sized planner and then I needed more space, so I went up to an A5, and that way I was also able to use Erin Condren style kits, which I love. So just thinking what I'm going to do. I think I'm going to keep working with other things and then go back to the weekend like I always end up doing. So let me just check my phone. So yeah, I actually started with personal size planner and still doing like plan with me's and spreads and that in that, but yeah, Tuesday I have a tutorial, and then Friday / Thursday I want to have an essay done, and I'm going to work on it a lot on Wednesday, so I'll remember that. Put down my header. I'm loving the glitter headers because I never get to use glitter headers. I did have them in one kit before. It was like there was still font on top of them, but I don't think I've ever gotten like a la carte or whatever glitter headers. So, whoops, come on now. I didn't want to use this pink. Yeah, that's okay. Also, these stickers are like super removable, and it's fabulous because there are some other shops that I love, but their stickers are like not removable at all. But these are, so things to be thankful for, removable stickers. Oh yeah, the lighter pink is much better. Just because I have the red up there. That's my stomach grumbling. I'm meeting my best friend in about 20 minutes, so I need to skedaddle on with this. A local bakery is doing like little heart-shaped gingerbread cookies, like still like chocolate dipped and everything, for Valentine's weekend, so we're going in to enjoy some of that, and it's kind of only her only free day. And as well as that, so when do I need to Instagram? There are not that many. Oh, there are loads of hearts actually, it's okay. Because she's in her final year of school, so I'm gonna put hearts down for everything. I know I'm just gonna love this spread so much. I always love HappyPlannerGal kits. They always just perfect. I'm just gonna stack this up here. They're always perfect. some TV down here, just why not? And I always put my readings for college. Maybe I think, have I done a video? Like, it's like how I stay organized in college. But I think I might do like how I plan for college in a planner, like on this channel. Just because I think it might be helpful for some people just to see how I do it, and it works really well for me. I don't think, yeah. Yeah, I'll put 2 Instagrams there. I know it seems weird, but it's that I have like 2 Instagrams, so obviously you have planner 1 and the non-planner 1, so Thursday, yeah, I'll put what I watch on Thursday. I also have an upload on Thursday. Do I? No. No, I don't. I'll put like a to clean or something. And then the other 2 TVs, I'll put one here. And on Saturday. Okay, all the TVs are used up. Hearts and TVs are always just something that are so useful for me. Yeah, okay, so I just need a tiny bit of washi for this here, and I kind of want to get like a nice printed one, like a properly printed one. I think I'm going to use this little sliver right here. And pop down my to clean. It's really just like clean the kitchen and take out bins and stuff because I go home at weekends. Oh, I should have put something for like train. Like the train at. Maybe I will. Maybe I'll remove a TV. And I'll put it on Friday and put a plain label on. Whoop. I can put like a little icon or something with this instead. Now there's a teeny tiny sliver of white, but I'll get over it. So, Monday and Wednesday I have dance. Tuesday I have an upload. Friday I have to film 2 things and upload. So, let's get on to that. I'll do the date covers last. So, Tuesday I am feeling this half box here. Which is, yeah, it's going to go a little bit over. But, like, I'm okay with that. That's really, really crooked. Because it's marking an upload, so again, I can get over it. It's like it's just a sliver. I can just see the line there. It's like, I'd say a centimeter over. Monday as well. I think I want to use this like light heart, or do I want to use a red one? I think I'll use a red one. And then some of this heart washi, maybe? No, some of this washi here. This is for dance. Which I also have on Mondays and Wednesdays. What else on Wednesday? Do I have anything else? Oh, I know that they're gonna start talking about an essay. No, I'm thinking, no, it's okay. They're gonna like, it's ridiculous, okay? I have an essay due on Sunday. It has not been explained to us. It will be properly explained to us on Wednesday. It's 3,000 words. Like, not even shitting you. Like, I'm so mad about it, but you know, you have to just accept it. It's college life. I don't want to break up this bird washi. I feel sad for the little bird. Especially because it's like a face. But I think I will just put some of this down here. How much is that? Yeah, no, I don't have to. I can just do another little piece. And you won't really be able to tell that it was once. Oh no. A full picture. I don't love like full picture washi. I much prefer when they're just like little prints and stuff. Okay, other dance. Friday, I want to have that essay submitted. It's just going to stress me out that it's due on Sunday. I always submit things by Friday, but it's the fact that I only have like Wednesday, Thursday, really, to work on it. So there's cricket. Stressing me out. It's such a ridiculous module as well. Like class. It's like, it's for sustainable development goals. I'm a politics student. And it's, put this down here. It's like, he's teaching the website. Like, I haven't done anything thus far. We're just done week 3, going into week 4. I haven't done anything that right now, that I couldn't have read off the website itself. And, like, I don't know. And then he's giving us a crazy assessment. It's like he's trying to cover his ass or something. I don't understand. Gonna put the little to-do, I think, down here. It's frustrating. I'll definitely say that. Trying to like, what am I gonna do? Oh yeah, got a header. Stay focused when you're like, I know, like, it's on the website that you told us to read. And he spent the whole first class talking about himself. Like, because he thought it was important for us to know his background or something in his studies. I don't even know. Like, everyone was like, okay. Like, no one really cared very much. Yeah, so I'm going to scooch this up a little bit. Everyone was kind of like, and what's the assessment, and what's, you know, we were asking things like that. Like, we didn't care about his personal history. We just wanted to know how we were going to be graded. Do I have still, oh, I still have matching washi for this. This is going to be cute. Yeah, everyone just wants to know, like, how you're going to be graded, and how the whole module itself works. What's the schedule for the readings? Do you want them done before or after, or does it matter, or, you know, things like that. And he was like, and I did this and I did that, and everyone's like, fab, but like, hello, can we talk about something other than yourself? So that's sustainable development goals, and it's obviously something I'm really interested in. So, because like that's kind of the part of politics that I'm most interested in, so it's a little bit frustrating that this class is so annoying. And I think I'm going to put this here. And yeah, it's bothering me a little bit. So what did I just put down? I'm going to put down something here as well to see like what time I leave, maybe. No, I always leave at the same time. Habit tracker, classic, and a little bit of washi is necessary. So yeah, there's a rant about my lecturer. I hope he's not one of my 7 subscribers. Shout out to you. But yeah. Cool, habit tracker. And Saturday. kind of want to do the little bird washi just to like fill up space. So I'll lay that down. I don't know how long I've been talking for. 20 minutes, wow. It's not even that surprising. I talk a lot. So I'm excited to start in my new little inserts and do it like quietly by myself as well before I film any plan of me's with it. I might use the leftovers of this kit if I'm being honest, or no, I think I'll start with something else. I'll save the leftovers of this kit for like this week maybe, or maybe I'll plan 2 weeks without filming it. Oh, look how adorable. So I think above that I want to put a glitter header, a red one, just because I'm feeling it. I didn't put a glitter header here. Maybe I'll put it down here. Yep, I like that. Other red glitter header up here. There we go. And I'm going to put the rest of the bird's face up here with a half box. No, it's going to cover, that's okay. I'll just leave it. There we go. So that's looking super cute. I have so much left over. I still have my weekend banner. Let me pop that down. No, I'll put my date covers first. So we've got the 13th. Oh, and the headers are coming up. So starting Monday the 13th. That's a little bit low, it's okay. Oh, so this is actually Valentine's Day itself. Okay, maybe I should mark that with something like a flag. Alright, Valentine's Day in that little flag. And 15. Really like these date covers. Date covers just like make a kit for me. Especially if they're like slightly bigger. If they're kind of small and they're not printed, it's not quite the same as having like proper printed ones. They really just add a lot. I think like especially in Erin Condren actually, which obviously I'm not planning in, I just think they add so much. Oh, they look so good. They look so good. You can see through them a little bit. That's I think because this font is so dark. I love the look of this kit. It's exactly what I wanted. It's kind of like, this is the classic look that I love when I plan. I wish she had more appointment labels. That is the only thing in like quarter boxes instead of just half boxes. But the Lucinda Charlotte Designs, if you're familiar with that shop, that's what my last haul was from. She has reformatted and she has so many appointment labels and so many quarter boxes and little scallop boxes. Oh, so excited to keep using her kits and start using the new ones. So that's it. That is this week's spread. Sorry, I just realised the end of it was cut out a little bit. Obviously it's not filled in. I always fill it in, and those photos will be up on my Instagram, so to be sure to follow at HappyPlannerGal on Instagram and you can see this filled in. Maybe if you subscribe I'll have a plan with me in my personal size planner and maybe a setup with that in the next week or so, and I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe and I'll see you in my next one.